Guys, imagine an old clay tablet holding the hump of river, markets, and workshops. Open it, and the world's first cities begin to speak. Let's talk about the first civilization in the world and its contribution. The world's earliest civilization developed independently in four river valleys. The civilization of the Sumer rose along the Tigris and Euphrates River in the Middle East. Sumerians invented cuneiform writing and building irrigation system that support dense and urban life. A second river valley civilization developed along the Nile River in Egypt. Ancient Egypt created hieroglyphic writing and monumental architecture such as pyramids and organized labor and religions practiced. The Indus and other rivers in present-day Pakistan and India were home of the Indus Valley Civilization, which shows advanced urban planning, standardized waste, and sophisticated drainage system. A fourth river valley civilization, the Xiang, emerged along the Han and Yellow River in China. The Xiang developed bronze metallurgy and left early Chinese writing on orangely bones. Together, these river valley societies created system of writing, law, and large-scale architecture that shaped later religions. Ancient civilization and their contribution. Along those river valleys, Babylon produced a writing legal code under King Hammurabi that influenced later law and refined arithmetic use in trades and astronomy. The Phoenicians devised a complex phonetic alphabet that spread writing and boosted Mediterranean commerce. Ancient Greece contribute formal geometric methods and philosophical inquiry and civil experiments such as citizens' assemblies that shaped political thoughts and science methods. Guys, you must be asking yourself, what are the most important civilizations that still exist today since the beginning of the world? Well, we have four of some Asian civilizations that are still important today because of their cultures, ideas, and some tradition that still influence us. One of this civilization is the Chinese civilization. It still lives through the Chinese writing system, governmental tradition, technology, and the confluential idea about respect, family, and education. Then we have the Indian civilization. Its influence remains in religions like Hinduism and Buddhism. Old literature, legal tradition, and many languages are still spoken in South Asia. Then we have the Greco-Roman civilization. It gives us many ideas in law, science, arts, democracy, and forms of government used around the world today. Last, we have the Islamic civilization. It helps preserve and improve knowledge in medicine, math, and philosophy. Its culture, law, and architecture spread widely, and its universities inspired later European learning. Culture and civilization. Civilization refers to organized societies with cities, governmental structure, specialized labor, and technical system. Culture means shared belief, arts, language, rituals, but also the everyday practice that form a student's identity. Studying Asian civilization helps students trace institutional origins and see how inventions and decisions from long ago still shapes our law, technologies, but also the human society connections. Guys, this was all for our video. We hope you understand and we hope you liked it. Have a nice and wonderful day.